Welcome back to Onesie2Onesie Seller's tutorial. In this video, we're going to start adding a product. On the seller's dashboard, when you click on Add a Product, this is a screen you will see. Now, the first thing we're going to do on your first time trying, make sure you click on the screen options on top, and by default, you're on the two column settings. Change to one column settings, and you should be good to go. First thing you want to start is by giving a title. We're going to give a title called Test Product, and second portion will be description. I have already created a description, so I'm just going to simply paste it to move forward. And third step is selecting product categories. When you scroll down to next section, passing over the public section, it's product categories. At product categories, you can choose as many categories as this product applies to, such as jackets, sweaters, one pieces, as well as a skirt. Please note that when you're clicking on the subcategories such as jackets, there's no need to click on the tops or clothings because it is automatically included. However, if you choose to, that is okay. Next one on our list will be pictures. If you only have one picture, you want to start with the product image, but if you have more than one pictures, then you want to start with the product gallery images. Once you're in the media library, click on the upload files, select pictures you have prepared for the item, click open, and you will notice it starts uploading. Once picture has been uploaded, it will automatically have a check mark on it as a default. Click on Add to Gallery. Once you click on the Add to Gallery, you will notice now two pictures thumbnailed on the product gallery. This means your picture has been added successfully to the item. Now, the next step is click on Product Image and select one image that represents this product the best and click on Set Product Image. You'll notice that picture has been showing up under product image as well as product gallery. What this does is that this particular section is used as a thumbnail for this item. That is why it's important to create a gallery that is used to show the different details of the product within the item, but also choose one picture of the gallery that should be used as a main picture for thumbnail. The next step in the way, if you scroll down a little bit further, you will find product data. This is where you enter most of the information regarding this product. SKU is something that is for your own use and is not required. And like regular price, let's say we're going to start with a $10. And sales price is something you can choose to do or not. But if you choose to give them a discount for $8.99, you can do indefinitely or you can schedule from certain date to certain days only. The next step is on the left side, there's different menus available. Click on inventory and you need to click on the manage stock. Once this is checked, you will notice a stock quantity has appeared. By default, it's on 0. You want to change that to 1. In most cases, because you're selling a used clothing, a bundle, you only going to have one of a certain products. But if you happen to have selling something that you do have a multiple of, then you are able to put your quantity as many as you have. The next step is click on attributes. And under custom attribute drop-down menu, there are a few different options you can choose from. First of all, you want to start with the package quantity. Click add and click on the value and you will see different options. And let's say this one particular item has 7 different clothings. So I'm going to choose pack of 6 to 10. And the next item, I'm going to choose clothing size. Click on add one more time. And of the menu, I'm going to choose 6 and 9, since these are 6 to 9 month clothes size, hypothetically. And lastly, I'm going to choose gender and click add and select neutral, as this is a neutral colors. As we develop more items and more different varieties within this site, you're going to see more options here. And you do want to select this as many as possible because this is important for customer to be able to find your product through filters. And we are going to show you that in our next video. Once you're done with all the product data, including different attributes, click on Save Attributes, make sure you let it save. And once the saving circle has been disappeared, then you're good to go. On the bottom, there's a product short description. This field is not required, but if you do put in a sentence or two, or simply copy first two sentences of the description of the this information will appear as a preview for the product. Also, SEO settings over here with the focus keyword is not required, but it is optional. Lastly, product tags is also optional information. If you click on the choose from most used product tags, you actually do have different choices you can choose from. And selecting these tags does help customer to finding your product a little bit easier. Once we're done with everything, I'm going to click on submit for review. And once the product is submitted for review, it will take approximately 24 hours for it to be reviewed and published. If there's any issue, you get an email notification with some questions or follow-up. Otherwise, within 24 hours, your product is ready to sell.